In this video of Let's Talk Math, we're going to learn how to multiply decimal numbers. So, let's say we want to multiply 6.4 times 3. Now, the first step would be, because we have a whole number in the equation, is to basically turn it into a decimal number, a number with a decimal. Now, all numbers, even whole numbers, have a decimal, right? Which means, it's hidden there. Like, it's always there, but you never see it. Now, what I mean is, let's put the decimal here and a 0 here. 3.0 is equal to 3, but most people just write it 3 and not 3.0000, because 0 goes on forever and there's no point in writing it. But right now, we are going to do it. Now, the next step would be to multiply. We're going to just use standard. We're just going to do standard multiplication and do not do anything with the decimal until we are done with the standard multiplication. So 0 times 4 is 0. 0 times 6 is 0. Then we put a 0 here. 3 times 4 is 12. We carry the 1. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. Now what we do is we add. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 2 is 2, 9 plus, we just dropped down 9, and the 1. Now, if you look back up at the equation, you see that we have 2 digits on the right side of the decimal, the 0 and the 4. So now using that, we are going to do the 2 digits on the right side, which is the 0 and the 2 here, and these 2 are going to be on the right side of the decimal. That means the decimal would go right here. So 6.4 times 3 equals 19.2, or 20. Now let's try another problem. We have 7.6 times 0.4. Now, we're going to do the same steps as before. So 6 times 4 equals 24. We carry the 2. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 2 is 30. Now we put the 0 here. 0 times 6 is 0. 0 times 7 is also 0. So then we add. 4 plus 0 is 4. 0 plus 0 is 0, and 3 plus 0 is 3, right? Now, again, we have 2 digits on the right side of the decimal in the equation, 4 and 6. So we count the 2 digits on the right side here, so that'd be 1, 2, and right here would be the decimal. So 7.6 times 0.4 is 3.04. Now let's try another problem. We have 8.2 times 5.1, exact same steps as before, right? So 1 times 2 is 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 8 is 8. We put a 0. 5 times 2 is 10. We put the 0 here. We carry the 1. 5 times 8 is 40, plus 1 is 41. Now we add. 2 plus 0 is 2. 8 plus 0 is 8. We just bring down to 41. So we have 2 digits on the right side of the decimal in this equation. So we count 1, 2, then the decimal goes right here. Now for our last problem, we need to multiply 4.3 times 0.29. First, what we're going to do is we are going to put a 0 here just to even it out, right? Now let's multiply. So 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 3 is 27. We carry the 2. 9 times 4 is 36. Plus 2 is 38. Cross out the 2. We put a 0 here. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 8 is 4 is 8. Then for the last one, we have 0 times, we put 2 zeros. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 3 is 0. And 0 times 4 is 0. Now let's add. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 0 plus 0 is 7. 8 plus 6 plus, 0 is 14. We carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12, and 12 plus 0 is just 12. We put the 2 here, carry the 1. 1 plus 0 is 1, right? So now as you see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 digits on the right side of the decimal. So we have, and now let's count here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the decimal goes in between the 1 and 2. That means 4.3 times 0.29 equals 1.247. Now that we have solved this problem, let's review what did we learn today. We learned to multiply numbers with decimals. First, ignore the decimal and do standard multiplication. To find where the decimal goes, see how many digits are to the right of the factor. To the right of the decimals and the factors added together, that will be equal to the amount of digit places the answer has. Now that is all for this video, so please put in the comments below what else you'd like to learn and like this video. I'll also be posting more videos with decimal numbers, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and check my other videos out. Bye!